Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Black Rock Grill is probably one of the most exciting and interactive dining experiences you can have at home, allowing you to cook your food to perfection right at your table on a searing hot volcanic rock. Imagine the sizzle, the aroma, and the control you have over your meal, from tender steaks and succulent seafood to flavorful vegetables, all prepared exactly how you like it, ensuring every bite is a culinary masterpiece tailored to your personal taste. Number 5. American Fire Products Medium Lava Rock. Introducing our medium lava rocks, perfect for any fireplace, fire pit, or bowl. These volcanic rocks add a natural touch to your indoor or outdoor gas fires. Use these rocks as a base filler in deep fire features to conceal gas piping and tubes. For an even more stunning look, top them with fire glass. Made from volcanic rock, these pieces can withstand extreme temperatures without changing shape. They offer a durable, low-maintenance, and cost-effective natural element for your decor. Effectively hide unsightly pipes and tubes in your gas fire features with these rocks. They provide a beautiful and practical alternative to ceramic logs and stones. Each piece is hand-sifted and sorted to guarantee top quality for your fire pit. Ensure even gas filtration by pouring at least 2 inches over the burner. Beyond fire features, these rocks are also great for decorative landscaping, planters, ponds, and gardening. Add a touch of nature anywhere. What we like. If you have a large or deep fire feature, this is the perfect economical choice to start with. It effectively hides unsightly pipes and tubes, providing a clean base for your design. If you're looking to create a stunning fire pit or fireplace on a budget, this is the ideal foundation. What people say. The sizing is consistent, and they look great for fire features or decorative use. No weird smell, no surprise crumbling mess, just solid volcanic rock doing its job like a professional. These one were the perfect size, and I had more than enough to completely fill the fireplace like it was meant to be. Good quality, size, and color to match what my basic gas fireplace needed to fill it out a little. Number 4. Techwood Electric Barbecue Grill. Experience the joy of grilling without the hassle of charcoal or propane. This versatile grill is perfect for both indoor and outdoor gatherings, allowing you to enjoy delicious meals with loved ones anywhere, from your backyard to the park. Achieve perfect results every time with rapid heating and precise temperature control. The grill cover ensures even cooking, making your food incredibly tender and juicy. Get ready for compliments from everyone. This spacious grill boasts a large grilling surface, perfect for parties and gatherings, easily serving over 15 people. Plus, a convenient warming rack keeps your food ready to enjoy. Setting up is a breeze with its simple design and pre-installed screws. Cleanup is just as easy thanks to the removable grease pan, making your grilling experience even more enjoyable. We're confident you'll love it. Enjoy a 30-day return policy and an 18-month promise. This grill offers exceptional quality and performance, backed by product liability insurance for your peace of mind. What we like. If you love grilling but want a charcoal-free and hassle-free experience, this is for you. It heats up quickly and can serve up to 15 people, making it perfect for gatherings in your garden, balcony, or even while camping. If you're looking for convenience and speed for your next cookout, consider this option. What people say. Has an upper warming grill. The grill heats up quickly and does get very hot. The manufacturer has added a grease tray to the bottom of the barbecue. Number 3. Black Rock Grill Hot Stone Cooking Set. Elevate your steak night with this restaurant-grade hot stone cooking set. Its extra-thick lava stone retains heat longer, ensuring every bite is perfectly hot. This versatile set is ideal for dinner parties, family gatherings, or romantic date nights. It offers a unique alternative to traditional grilling. You can cook steaks, burgers, seafood, poultry, vegetables, and fish on this hot stone grill. Enjoy a diverse culinary experience. Experience incredible flavor as it seals in natural juices for perfectly cooked meals. Best of all, no oils or fats are required for cooking. As the original Steak on the Stone company, we are dedicated to providing high-quality products for both home and restaurant use. We strive to bring the best restaurant-quality tabletop dining to you. Enjoy the unique atmosphere of cooking your own perfect meal at home. What we like. If you're aiming for a unique and flavorful dining experience at home, this is the ultimate choice. Its extra thick lava stone ensures your food stays sizzling hot, locking in natural juices for perfectly cooked steaks, seafood, and vegetables. If you enjoy interactive dining and restaurant quality results, this set will elevate your dinner parties. What people say. I can't believe the ease and the deliciousness of the food we've been preparing on this rock. So fun and very pleased. My husband is an amazing cook and super picky. I bought him one of these for Father's Day, he loved it and cooked an amazing steak. Just bought him a second, he loved it so much. Like some of the other comments, heated pretty quickly on stovetop with foil tented over top. Black rock grill stones are the real deal. I was so excited to find them available on Amazon and they arrived in just 12 hours. The rocks sizzle just like they did when I had them in a restaurant. I heated the rock on my gas hob at full heat for 40 minutes. Instructions are so easy to follow. We placed the hot rock in the center of the table and shared it, it was plenty big enough to share. 12-ounce ribeye steaks on it. It was delicious, steak cooked on a stone just tastes better. Seems to trap in all the natural flavors and it's nice having a hot steak even the last mouthful. Number 2. Black Rock Grill Steak Hot Stone Grill Set. Experience the future of dining with our revolutionary hot stone grill. It brings the excitement of a sizzling steakhouse right to your table. Cook your favorite cuts of meat or fish to perfection. The intense heat of the stone sears in natural juices and flavors, eliminating the need for oils or fats. Enjoy a fresh, healthy, and interactive meal. It's perfect for steak, seafood, burgers, and more, offering a unique dining experience for everyone. This versatile set is ideal for any occasion, whether you're hosting an indoor dinner party or enjoying a meal outdoors. Each guest gets their own personalized cooking experience. Heat the stone on your stove, under the grill, in the oven, or on a barbecue. Full instructions are provided for a seamless cooking experience. Our comprehensive set includes everything you need: a premium wooden board, a cooking stone, a stainless steel underplate, and stylish matte black plates and dipping pots. What we like. If you want a healthy and fun way to cook individual meals, this set is ideal. It allows each guest to cook their food to perfection on their own platter, searing in natural juices without oil or fat. If you're looking for a novel dining experience for date nights or small gatherings, this offers a fresh and engaging approach. What people say. Heated the stones up on our grill. They held enough heat to eat slowly and cook our meat as we wanted. Nice to eat a hot piece of meat. Easy to clean. My Viking oven heats to 500 degrees and the stone stays sizzling hot for about 20 minutes and hot enough to cook strips of steak for about 40 minutes. Medium rare is a breeze. I use a Lodge cleaning tool and cleanup is a breeze. This was simple to use, just heat the rock and it performed flawlessly. My meat was cooked quickly but not overcooked at any point. The stone cleaned up easily too. Number 1. McCormick Himalayan Pink Salt All-Purpose Seasoning. Discover the perfect blend of Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. This all-purpose seasoning is your secret ingredient for delicious meals. Elevate your everyday cooking with this unique seasoning. Its balanced flavor profile enhances everything from meats to vegetables. Crafted for convenience, this seasoning makes gourmet flavors accessible. Just a sprinkle adds a touch of culinary magic to any dish. We've combined premium ingredients to create a versatile seasoning you'll reach for again and again. Experience the difference quality makes. This is the one seasoning you need to transform your meals. Its robust yet refined taste is sure to impress your family and friends. What we like. If you're looking to easily enhance the taste of your grilled meats, vegetables, or any dish, this seasoning is a must-have. Its blend of Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic offers a delicious and versatile flavor profile. If you want a simple way to add a gourmet touch to your cooking, this all-purpose seasoning is a fantastic choice. What people say. The Black Rock Grill is a fantastic addition to any dinner party, allowing guests to cook their own steaks to perfection at the table. The grill heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, ensuring a great cooking experience every time. The set includes everything you need to get started, from the searing hot volcanic rock to the individual serving boards and utensils. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.